ngay cùng speed guide đấy rồi thôi
thằng tiêu à em đến đây anh rằng có đây là sẽ lay mày lắm Right now, we are coming to another place. We are about to go to Kum Gap and see. We will walk by foot through this road. I'm walking by foot. We will go to Khoupum Gap. We walk down this way. You see? Walk down this way. Các bạn lại nó thay đồng thế cả. Chưa các bạn. Down đó. Khâu đó nó. Now finally we reach the place, the Khoupum Gap. You can see this is Khoupum Gap. Hawaii thay.
Khoupum đang kép.
Khoupum Gap. This is called Khoupum Gap. Wow. This is so beautiful. You can see. There is a water drizzling over there. Can you see that? There's water drizzling over there. Oh. Well, let's go! Yeah! Tagay cái khâu.
nằm đúng là mua bay mà khơi
Now we will go to khoupum, real khoupum. Khoupum means in our dialect, khoupum means gap bricks or something like that. We are going to go to a place called khoupum, the real khoupum. The name of the place is originated from that particular place. So we are now walking by foot, as we cannot enter by vehicle. There is no way to enter by vehicle, so we are going by our foot.
khoupumแต่ว่ามันไม่ต่อหอยนี่ฮะ
Nungay day. Nungay day.
Very nungay. Hello.
Nungay day.
Nungay đình thế vậy.
Nungay day mti gui.
Nungay đình thế.
Welcome back.
Thôi, mày quá.
Không làm cái gì điên gầy lắm ơi. Đình thế.
Nungay day.
Nungay thế.
Nungay đây đình ra thế.
Nungay day. Nungay thế đừng gió liếm rồi.
Đây mãi thảo.
Hi. You're walking by foot. This is a thick forest. You can see. Here. This is a thick forest. There are some people still behind me. You will see. You better visit this kind of place in your lifetime. This is a natural. You can see. Here you can see here. Cây thơ, bằng cây thơ. Người thơ, người thơ, người thơ. Không phải mình được tuần thôi.
cái đi lái sinh không phải mìnhจะมีของซิมมีข่าวเรื่องขึ้นตาค่ะแล้วมันจะทำไม่ได้เที่ยว
Right now, I reach the exact point, the exact place. You can see here. You can see here. I'm feeling really, really good right now. A lot of fresh air. I'm standing on the top of the hill, and you can see there khoupum. That is the khoupum valley. Hi, hi. Once in a lifetime, I must visit such kind of place. Some people are just giving up, you know. They can't walk anymore, so they're up there resting. But as I come up, I won't give up anymore. I will go down till I reach the exact spot, the exact point. You can see here burning all the forest. You can see here. So this is the khoupum valley. You can see here. That is the khoupum The village called khoupum, and we are all here. Oh, this is a. Wow, wow, wow! Oh my God. Down talo đây. Wow. Nuôi cái đời. Nuôi cái đời nuôi kiên. Đâu, cây gầy đâu. Giao nó cây gầy luôn đây.
Wonderful.
Bravo. Nông khoupum nè. Nông khoa kê hàng nè. Tôi là suy làm thế. Pengen asis. Jangan tuang tu ini deh. Jangan. I got a lot of experience by going in such kind of place. This is my first time visiting here. You know, I visited once khoupum, but then due to the ongoing global situation, I was not able to according to my expectations. So khoupum, don't give me the
This is name khoupum, nipom, khoupum.
What the hell? You can see here, there is a slope. If you fall down, here, finish. We'll end our life. You can see here, once you fall down, that's to die. Wow! Finally I reached khoupum. Finally I reached khoupum. This is called khoupum. Oh. I feel so good, so comfortable. Right now, getting a lot of fresh air. Oh! Ai cùng mấy ta cu lâu, ai cùng mấy ta cu lâu. านเธอเต้าปูเจ้าจะมีเทียนคนไม่เอาได้จะมันไม่เอาได้มันทำให้เขาเจ้าจะไอพิงไม่ที่มาเน็กไอพิงไม่ที่มาเน็กอดีตทุกช่วงต้องเสียนตานหายอดีตทุกช่วงต้องเสียนตานหายไอลุ่มรองรับนุ่งตาไอลุ่มเล่ารอบนุ่งตาเรื่องราวเรียวพารางเขาเลยright now we are about to move out again. We are about to climb down the hill again. We finished taking a rest for a while, and now we just start walking. Cái thà, cái gì thế? Cái lên thà tao thôi. Cái rồi mà thế, đám tao vậy.
Đám tao vẫn thế đám đám.
Cái này. Down ta lên đây, ai đi hú ra lên đây.
Both side.
Let us go khoupum.
Khoupum.
In English,
We have this khoupum now.
gap bricks, right?
Yeah.
In Romai, khoupum.
Wow, amazing. My cap, my.
Right now we are resting.
ออกหีแล้วก่อนเหรอเจ้าเรื่องรั้งกันหนึ่งผมก็มันไม่คิดว่าผมไม่ถึงกับเจ้าเลยแต่เราทำแทนตัวนี้เก็บที่นี่หีแล้วที่ไหนเนาะเก็บที่ไหนนี่แต่2021 that is you for Salome you do it na